In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn a Visa gift card into cash. Now, there's actually several ways that we can go ahead and approach this. However, what I think is best is to actually try to find a payment method that allows you to add your Visa gift card as a payment method. And then from there, you're able to go ahead and make purchases directly from your Visa gift card. So one really good platform that I recommend using is PayPal. And sometimes you are able to actually use your Visa gift card as a payment method whenever you are out shopping and stuff like that. And you're basically able to get cash in a way. But anyways, if you wanted to do that, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and make sure you have a PayPal account, log into your PayPal account, and then what I recommend that you guys do is go ahead and press over here where it does say finance. Then underneath finance, you want to go ahead and select on banks and cards. And then from there, it is going to bring you to a screen that does look like this. And basically where it says credit and debit cards, you want to go ahead and press on a link a card. And what you are able to do sometimes is actually add a Visa card. Now, if you did get a Visa gift card in terms of like a debit card or something like that, you can literally just enter in the card number here, enter the expiration date and the security code as well. And you can link your Visa gift card to like a payment method. So you could use your Visa gift card as a payment method and you're effectively able to get cash like that. However, that situation may not work for every single type of Visa gift card. So what I recommend that you guys do is actually go to a website like CardCookie. And no guys, this is not a sponsored video or anything like that. I am just using it because I do think that the service is pretty good. So basically this website allows you to sell your Visa gift card for cash, and sometimes they will actually offer you like other gift cards as well, like Best Buy, Walmart, Target, or basically whatever you do need. All right, so once you're on a website like this, you can go to the top menu and press over here where it does say sell gift cards, and essentially you're able to go ahead and sell your gift card over here, and you can go ahead and select what brand it is, the balance, and you could get a offer. So let's go ahead and do one really quickly. So let's say we got like $100 gift card and we got it from this company over here. Let's go ahead and press on get offer. So yeah, it really does depend. Sometimes it will give you like good rates and sometimes they won't. So this one's honestly, that's really not good, to be honest. So again, that's why I recommend that you guys do the first option instead. However, you guys will always have the option to sell your gift card on a platform like CardCookie. And if you want to do something a little bit more old school, then what you could also do is purchase an item with a gift card, something that is easy to sell, like a popular electronics gadget or like a TV or something in demand, and then sell it on eBay, Craigslist, or even to a friend for cash. So those are definitely all options that you guys could use in order to convert your Visa gift card into cash. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.